Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. The same component I have created in NX. This is the component. In this tutorial, we are going to recreate this component. These are the steps I have followed it. Now we'll create this component. For that, first go to the file, new, choose model. Our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location, save OK. This is the model we are going to create it. First we will start with the center cylinder with a diameter of 60 with a length of 140. For that, go to the sketch. I'm just taking the top plane, save OK. Take a circle, just create a circle, press the roller to confirm, then click it here. The diameter of the circle is 60, say yes, press the roller to confirm, then go for the finish sketch, extrude. The total extrusion length is symmetric value, total extrusion is 140, say OK. Now we have created the center cylinder, then we'll create this feature. For that, go to the sketch again, take the front plane, save OK, take a circle, press the roller to confirm. Now the diameter is 40, say yes. From this point to center distance is 50, press the roller to confirm. And from the top to here is 50, total length is 70. Then this center point to here it is 20. Then take a line from here to create one horizontal line, which should be a tangent. Horizontal line, press the roller to confirm. Similarly here, from here to here, we just create one horizontal line. Just close the line, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Go to trim this line, press the roller to confirm. Again take the trim, remove it, press the roller to confirm, then go for the finish sketch, extrude. Here we make it unite, make it symmetric value. Total extrusion is 27 plus 27 plus this cut value of 6. Just enter the value of 27 plus 27 plus 6. Just say OK. Hide the sketch. Now we have created this feature, then we'll create this feature. For that, go to the sketch again, same front plane, save OK. Take a circle first, just create a circle, press the roller to confirm. Now the diameter of the circle is 50, which is 50, say yes, press the roller to confirm. Then from center point to the center point distance is 100 mm, press the roller to confirm. Then one more dimension we need to define is here, from here to here, which is 20, 25, as well as this diameter has to be 25. Same here to here, which is 20. Now just create similar lines. Take a line from here, just create one horizontal line, press the roller to confirm. Similarly from here, just create one horizontal line, just close this line, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Make this line as horizontal. Similarly this line also make it as horizontal. And take a trim command, remove this one, then close it. And this dimension, which is 50, and this dimension is, you make it a tangent actually. From here to here, you make a tangent. This is not required. This one and this one make it coincident. This one This line is not a vertical line, we make it a vertical. Now it is fully defined. This is not required, just delete it. Then go for the trim, just trim this one. Then go for the finish sketch, extrude, make it symmetric value. Here you make it unite. Total thickness of the extrusion is 30. Just say OK. Then add the sketch. Then go to the sketch again. Mid surface, say OK. Take a circle. Here make it entire assembly. Just go for the orient view again. Take a circle. Just go free sketch. Then delete the sketch. Then go for the sketch again. Take this mid plane again. Just go for the sketch. Take a circle, center and ends. Take a circle. The center point is not showing actually. Just put one line. This is a 50. Then take a circle. This one is the center point. Then go for trim. Trim this one, then close it. Just delete it. Just this sketch you will edit it. There's some mistake in here. From the center distance to from here to here, which is 100. This diameter is 50 and here it is 20. Then make this is horizontal, this is vertical and this also be horizontal. Then go for the finish sketch. Then go for the sketch again. Front surface, say OK. Take a circle. Now see, we are getting a center point. Then go for the finish sketch again, extrude, make it symmetric value, unite, the total extrusion is 40, save OK. Now we have created this cylinder also. Then we'll go for one rib which is thickness 10 mm thickness, web at center. Just go for the sketch again, same front plane, save OK. Take a line somewhere tangent to this and just put a line here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. From here to here, the distance is, the diameter is 60. Then it will be 30. Say yes. And from here to here we need to define, but it's not, cannot make a reference of this circle edge. For that we can take from here. We can take from here. For that, here you can see this is 50 plus 20, which is 70. This edge is a 70. Then it will, from here to here, which is 70. Then what we can do, 70 minus from here to here is 60. That's it. Then it will be a 10. Then one more line which has to be defined. this line and this circle should be tangent. Then go for the finish sketch. Then use the rip tool. Now see the web is creating with a thickness of 10 mm. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have done all the material addition feature. Then we'll go for the material removal feature. First we'll do this cut. For that, go to the sketch. Select the surface. Save OK. Take a circle. Just create one circle. The circle diameter is 46. Say yes. Then take a rectangle. From here to here, you just create a rectangle. And just connect this point to circle to coincident point. And this thickness is 6 mm. Symmetric. Then this height has to be defined. I'm just giving a 60. This is enough. Then go for the trim. This one and this one, you remove it. Then go for the close. Press the roller and then go for finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Here we specify the value of 140. Here we make it subtract. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this cut. Then we'll create these two holes. For that, go to the standard hole. The diameter of the hole is 20. Just specify the value of 20. Just move your cursor to the edge of the circle. You will get the hole. Normal face throughout the body. Subtract, just apply it. That's it. Similarly here, just move your cursor to the edge of the circle. Here the diameter of the hole is 28. Throughout the body, save OK. That's it. Just right click here, orient view, isometric view. Now see, all the features we have done. In that we have completed this component. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.